The all-new Stratlock SL-SMT1 suspended ceilings are now an easy fit. Simply frame up your wall using the new Stratlock Rail System. Add your ceiling frame using SL-RCF90, combined with SL-RLE extrusions. Then insert and fix the SL-SMT1 to the ceiling frame. Now any one of the PanelSafe Easyfit range can be suspended from the SL-SMT1 and attached to the panel. Then simply click securely into place. Suspending your framing using M10 ceiling rods. Insert and fix the SL-SMT1 to the ceiling frame. Raise the frame to the M10 ceiling rod. Adjust to the height required. Fix to height. Then mount the panel using the SLFA or SLFB clips. Stratlock Rail Systems by Fastmount. Revolutionize your panel mounting process.